Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to say like some formatting the output by using F. Let's see now. Let me open idle. Now normally, if you want to do some format, let's see x equal to 10, and then print of x is just printing here. If you want to x is x, then how you have to do it like this: x equal to, and then comma x, then it should be displayed like this: x equal to 10. Now x comma y comma equal to 1 comma 2. Now print of x comma y 1 2. Now print x equal to comma x comma y equal to, and then y. Let's see this. So you're getting like this, right? So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, something like this. Now I will achieve by using this f functionality. Let's see this: print, and then f, and then single quotes. This is called format. You have to use flower bracket here, and then you can use it x, and then I will close this single quotes. Within single quotes you are using like this. Let's see what it will display. It is displaying like just simply 1, right? Now if you see here, sorry, if you see oh, if you just use equal to, x equal to, now let's see, you're just getting the value x equal to 1. Now let's see here, and again that bracket y equal to, again you can close this. Now let's see this: x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now I'm using this single quotes only, right? Now I'm going to use it double quotes. Let's see this: print of f double quotes x is, again open it, just put it this bracket, and then and y is, and then like this you can use. Let's see. Okay, close bracket, double quotes, you can close it. Now let's see this. So here you can get it like x is 1 and y is 2. So everything you are getting in a single column. Instead of using this, you have to use this kind of f, and then whatever you want to do it here within this close bracket. But here the bracket should be open. Other than that, all looks good. See you in the next class. Bye.